This is how I was 750 days ago. All I cared about was goals, parties, and making memories with my friends. And between all of this, I just forgot to pay attention on my academics and myself and the things that actually mattered. And the same person who scored 95% in 10th scored only 75 in the exam that mattered the most. That was the first time I actually, experienced failure. That was the moment I decided to filter all the bad influence off of my life and actually surround myself in an environment which actually forces me to push my limits. The one that actually pushes me to work harder. And now fast forwarding to today, 750 days later, I'm actually topping my university every semester consistently. I found a direction and maybe it was the right choice I made 750 days ago. But I've lost all my friends, like all of them. The last time I went for a party was like 2 years ago. The last New Year's was just me sleeping in my room all by myself. And on my last birthday, I barely had my friends text me. Then I wonder, like, is loneliness really the price we have to pay to be great? And the answer, according to 99% of the social media gurus, is yes, loneliness is the price you pay for greatness. Actually, that's what they say. But then I wonder, if a lot of people are lonely, then why not make a platform for them where they can actually hop on and chat when they're lonely? Like, loneliness was a part of the journey, maybe, but it does not have to be so. And that's when I came up with Journal. It's a platform where all of us can just hop on and chat whenever we feel lonely. And it's not just a big group chat, like that would be too boring, where people just come and chat. That's too boring. So I've also created some challenges which are actually designed in a way to help you get rid of your loneliness. So a huge plus is that even if the community is a little small for you, you can actually join it right away and hop on the challenges that help you get rid of your loneliness and just help you start with your journey. And just so you know, the community will soon be paid, so this is the right time to just go and join it and lock your free spot right away. And with that being said, I'll see you guys inside.